Hi, it's Kim Scholl, the Life Journey Coach. The topic is your support system. Do you have a good support system in place? Because when you're making some big life changes, a lot of times one of the biggest obstacles you'll come up against is resistance from the people in your life. Perhaps your husband or wife is not really on board with what you're doing. Or they've seen you make these attempts before, but you've always failed at them, or you've always quit, so why should they trust you this time? Or maybe your kids just don't get why you can't be the helicopter parent you used to be. Because finally you're going to take some time for yourself and take care of yourself, and they're actually going to be expected to step up and do something. It could be a little bit of a shock for them. What if it's your family members? What if you're trying to lose weight and they're constantly sabotaging your efforts? Because the fact of the matter is, it's challenging to them that you're making a big change that they know they should make, and they just don't quite feel ready. So you may actually even find resistance from friends. It's the same sort of scenario. We tend to hang out with the people who are a lot like us, and when one person sort of breaks away from the pack and changes something big in their life, you could end up losing some friends. And that's okay. Because if you're really committed to making changes, if you're in the work phase that I talked about in my last video, you're going to find new friends. It's a little bit harder when it's your own family. And here's where working with a coach is a good investment for you. Because a coach, like myself, is 100% fully invested in your success. I am emotionally invested in the changes you want to see in yourself. I want nothing to do with the emotional drama in your life. So the difference is, I will do what it takes to help you reach your goals and create boundaries for yourself. I will not get caught up in the drama of who said what to whom and when. I don't care what your friends say. I care about you. So if you don't have a great support system in place, start reaching out. And if you would like to work with a coach, I'm always here for you. Go to talkwithkim.com and let me know what's going on in your life, and let's talk and find out if there's a way for us to work together. And if you don't work with me, I really hope that you've got some good people in your life supporting you.